In this video, we cut the fabric using the prepared patterns. For the main fabric, I'm using double-sided silk satin. For the inner structure, I'm using a non-stretch corset strength satin, along with fusible interfacing. You'll also need the prepared patterns, scissors, pins, a heat erasable fabric pen, and a ruler. First, press the main fabric so it becomes completely smooth and even. Then apply the interfacing. When you're sure the interfacing is fully bonded to the fabric, it's ready for cutting. After fusing the interfacing, fold the fabric along the grain line and lay out the pattern pieces on it. Place the center front line of piece number 1 on the fold of the fabric. Arrange the pieces on the fabric, with the pattern grain lines following the fabric grain. Allow a 1 centimeter seam allowance and trace around the patterns with a heat pen. For all pattern pieces, keep the grain lines parallel to the fabric grain and mark the balance points on the fabric. Allow a 3 centimeter seam allowance for the side seams. Finally, cut the fabric. For the lining, repeat all the steps you followed for cutting the main fabric and cut the lining. These details are very important. Trace all around the patterns, transfer the grain lines to the fabric, mark the balance points, number the pieces, and only after completing these steps, remove the patterns from the fabric. The main fabric and the lining are now ready for sewing. The pieces are numbered, the grain lines are marked, and the balance points are indicated. The main fabric and the lining are now ready for sewing. In the next videos, we'll sew the pieces together, so stay with us and follow the tutorials.